Nike's International Running Pack pays tribute to heritage while elevating performance. The lineup, which includes the Pegasus 41, AlphaFly 3, VaporFly 4, and the headline Vomero 18 in a bold multicolor, vivid sulfur, dark sulfur and clear scheme, reimagines 1970s icons like the LD-1000, Montreal, Sting, and Waffle Racer. Designed by Katsunobu Asayama, the collection aims to merge nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, resonating with athletes and style enthusiasts alike. Its release, set ahead of the Tokyo Track and Field Championships, underscores Nike's strong cultural ties with Japan, where retro running silhouettes are deeply celebrated. Beyond aesthetics, the pack symbolizes community appreciation for timeless designs, proving that history and innovation can coexist. Blending modern comfort with vintage inspiration, Nike delivers sneakers that are both performance-driven and culturally significant, with the Vomero 18 officially dropping on September 10 via Nike.com.